Hello everyone and welcome back to me Games. Today I come with this tricky math question 4 minus 4 times 2 divided by 2 minus 2 times 4. Try it to solve by your own and comment the right answer and get shout out in our shout out list. I will give you shout out if you comment. Okay, so here to solve this we will use the PEMDAS trick. Many are solving like this: 4 minus 4 which equals to 0 times 2 divided by 2 minus 2 which equals to 0 times 4, and 0 times 2 that is 0 and 0 times 4 which I had 0 by 0. This is totally wrong in mathematics. 0 by 0. Okay, so what will be the correct way? We will separate it into two parts. First part numerator, and we will solve again the denominator part. Here numerator is what? 4 minus 4 times 2, and denominator is 2 minus 2 times 4. So according to PEMDAS, first operation will be given to preference will be given to multiplication and at last subtraction. So first we have to operate for this part, and similarly for denominator we have to operate for this part. Okay, so we will write like here 4 as it is minus 4 times 2 that equals to 8. Similarly we will write 2 as it is minus 4 times 2 that is equal to 8 again. Okay, and now we will solve this with very simple math. 4 minus 8 that equals to minus 4, and 2 minus 8 which equals to minus 6. Minus and minus get cancelled. We will cut here 2 times 2 that is 4 and 2 times 3 that is 6. So here right answer is 2 by 3. And if you are senior, then must check out our best product list for seniors, which will help you in daily use. Then subscribe channel for more videos like this, and must check out our description. Okay, thanks for watching.